2028 me be cash MPP for nyina obi bia beto abana MPP bia nyame no me betra wo so onkwa na nyina na enso me cash bi afena me be keka nsemo o mo hye de nimi ana me ngama no mo dia me ka bia besi 2028 on begwe wo dia body etito o mo party no ekuta ye ya ba mu no ye be break no na ato atwe se ba omi be
Mame Mao Akwaba emfa wombra Ghana insem TVGH so wofre me adwoa searching ebusanfo mesro ena no first time out there ehwe me mesro no wa subscribe me a notification bell no so for more news ebusanfo Ghana fo bi akasa na omo ehre se Reverend Owusu Bempah so wo se NPP ni bia na se Ghana ni bia wa akoto abade ama Dr. Bawumia wa adome ne dia ene omo so kire wo se Ghana card no hwe na wa sorry ba bia news Ghana card ni bi hwe na wa sorry ba bia amfa Ghana card anko bank so de kwako yisika ana so de Ghana card Ay3ka na so de ye bibia because ene Ghana card no ewiase afa na ina abo Ghana ya ba so yen card ti so se Dr. Bawumia ye musum pene ni ma hwe de ai na make sure say o ma na wa sorry ba bia news Ghana card ni bi ewom se Ghana sika ene ye de ye but se nipa na obeye president no se wotan no na se watumi adome ne de ono e no de Ghana card de ba nto hwe na won so ama na wasori ba bia news because se wanya adwen amfa mase yenye Ghana card ka wasori ba so nkonko use
so for Owusu Bempah MPP fo nyina wo se nkwasiafo wadom ye da wase ba bia wo bia nyame nka ho na sai nyankopon na ye nyina edi na chi no so for Owusu Bempah yeso ye ka kire wo se wa sorry baby ko fa Ghana card Dr. Bawumia na de bae di wura bank ekoyiska ewiase mu nyina no metumi nyina enko won sorry ma no so won won sorry ma no so for Owusu Bempah asempa na ye ka kire wo asempa na ye ka kire wo Ghana card na de bae no Bawumia de bae no wa fa ma Christopher nko an o de mama the whole Ghana na se wo papa panyin sofo a obi abu na utimi gina wa sorry dem ho e ka kire se MPP party no wa kire shi oboto Owusu Bempah wo so ne wo sorry ma no se obi akwada bi ana wa sorry ba etimi fa ne ba e de ne ko free SHS ni bi na wa ntua school fees a onyankopon no me na wo ka no yeso ye bona dane de ba Owusu Bempah wo no sorry ma ni nyina aso enyam nko na mu nyame o ye yenso aboso mu nko achi mo saa ne tie se wo papa panyin sofo utimi gina wa so dem ka che se wo domi MPP na MPP fo no se wo utimi domi MPP a me ja nyame som asempa na ka che me nkomi nkoto dware mo mpa yediem saa Owusu Bempah se wo so firi nyame a 2028 opa wo ye bema shenkom ba ko pe ne fato wo se MPP yetimi ma ban mu biem ana 2028 yetimi ma ye ba no ye ba ne sa apomene no won mu tiwa mu be ya na ma ba be kan o se bono ko da na mena mu ana ma hyeda ko bie no ye fu ya ba ye meba me se wa sori ba ko un sori mani nyina se nipa ba ko timi fa Ghana card e de ko bank ko iska onyame no me mbra mu nyina ono un sori mani nyina aso asepa ne ye ka kire wo no ewo Yesu Kristo Nazareth di mu ye de Yesu Kristo a onante poso ane na enkansu ono na MPP fo ye di nachi asepa ne ye ka kire wo no oso ye bema bie wa no ne ka kire se Bawumia endi president o Ghana ha ne hwe ade se wani mu anwu ase a mu sori a mote wa nsemu bia na ma bie ma no na moka ene wo kwa sori a Owusu Bempah untimi nka nyame asem untimi nka kwaje asem politics nko na ade wa so na wo sori ma ne minima de ko nti o mote wo na ase itu betimi de wa sori ba wo sori ma we mu atimi akonyankopon enim ensi da because untimi preach nkwaje asem ene hwe ewiase na ekọ na wie ye o Bible say mre ne be ko wie aman be sori aman so ene o untimi nka bi nkire wa sori ma no wo sori out what sori dem wan kwase asem ko na wo so fu panyini anka ye nyina ye bu e na wo ka kwase asem saa na mo de ti kuro mu nka nyame asem so ye da masi ye be sa ba biem
na Reverend Owusu Bempah why na dwen say on person NPP fo omo asun bedwo omo every blessed day bia no the NPP fo gina na sorry dem e preach Reverend Owusu Bempah ejai Bible mu sem na to ho e no de NPP aye ne chapters ejina sorry dem na Reverend Owusu Bempah akeka ho akeka oka na ya be man reply na ye eja no na Sunday ye besin call yi nsem ogyina na sorry dem kind the NPP for chese omo ayija mana kasa chese ne internet ne so scroll bia Reverend Owusu Bempah scroll bia Reverend Owusu Bempah enye NPP fo nkwa na omo kasa journalist fo bi kasa ordinary citizens kasa NDC fo bi kasa including NPP fo nyina because enyema Reverend Owusu Bempah ne betime de ntokwa aba na Reverend Owusu Bempah kekan dizie wa boyendua osi wa wuni ma obeto abade ama NPP ama yoko no de numi ato so na yetwem wo Yesu Kristo di Reverend Owusu Bempah yetwem otumi mboye ndua ende anase ochina eduaba Bible say eduaba eni ngina so na enya adwuma Reverend adan mana Owusu Bempah yenya odan also na wugina wa sorry dem na nado ne ho ye mahio ba omi akra le mpere ni ma hwe Reverend Owusu Bempah so mpe ba omi ani ma hwe de ya osapone senya wo Reverend Owusu Bempah also onye hwe na ombeche wo kotum tie o video we
That's right. Me for be obeka Owusu Bempah o suspect. Right. That's right. Yes, sir. Na me microphone agrada microphone ko metwa no ho ahia. Almost
Reverend Owusu Bempah, ujina una woka asa asem we. Na ye wadwen se NPP enya atumi no. Wo bompai ma NPP no mo ba ban minti no. Anka Ghana na ye fa hye wonsa. Ene ka wo tweetu ebo bi a we shouldn't talk because waban ene wo to me. Reverend Owusu Bempah no man wo abobi na sum na ye nkasa because adanya wo bompai ma na adron obeye president nti ye nja Ghana hye wonsa. No wakodi nsem na waachi watuma wo man ya asum nkwa didi ya asum nkwa didi wa kasa NPP atem je former vice president Dr. Baumia says you to Frank Adia my NPP ama yoko no krado mpenani ma hwa e de akwa aba bebo yendua yenso ye bowdua ne bi wo Yesu di Reverend Owusu Bempah unso ye bowdua yenso ya bowdua why
Reverend Owusu Bempah you see say na sorry de begu oh yes e begu o pass my market to the wall binim di Ay3ka listen obi oni mi bia say in my days I started reading psychological books or take cancer na be different normal be do something this way. I deal with human behavior and then confront you myself. I sorry ni begu. Ba mechewa do kwiti begu. Listen to me. If NDC a win election 2028 ultimately take credit no. Reverend Owusu Bempah say NDC we need 2028 elections ultimately take the credits to you because we have a lot of NDC pastors almost what prophesy say NDC will win 2028. Haven't we heard some before? Jamaica no say they said year 2024 year ba beto aba no no prophesy say President Mahama ntimi president biem that ana Badu Kobi Reverend Badu Kobi and a prophet Nigeria mo prophesy say 2024 NDC will win the power. The American say and son or Bekabi. Beside that, what the bar in the physical realm, me as a logician, meaning say, who followed the history of Ghana politics, the information of Ghana politics, about 8 years, me what? About 8 years. So logically, Ubatimi Akase this will get 8 years. Memwa, the only opportunity NPP ever to win 2028 they say, NDC will be fielding new candidates. In our history, our Ghana politics, no, party beyond fielding fresh candidates. I want to be our contested pay, contested our we need that. And I say, Obia, when a certain president to be contested, I we need a see that, a be see that. That's the only opportunity NPP has going into 2028 elections. But my information, I mean, from 1992 bad there. Aba when you're 8 years. So you can also be informed but that information to say that NPP wouldn't come to power. Enyawanwa. An 8-year-old girl cried him say, NDC 1, they had 8 years. NPP 1, they had 8 years. 2000, NDC 2 had 8 years. NPP 2 had 8 years. Yes, and I will tell you why. Not sorry, the big check. Listen, say, Dr. NDC we need to take credit. Say nobody Ay3ka. Dr. Baumia winia ebe collapse na sorry. Yes. That's what you're saying. Yes. I'm saying that say this winnie and your noa because nipa bebre akada say on be winnie and I pair the information a physical realm no say this winnie and your because I buy be about 8 years but say Dr. Baumia winnie and na sorry the begu because people will come to realize that we are a certain man of God. I'm telling you. Yes, Metro culture or a certain man of God. Apart from Adidiatemno, Metro culture or a certain man of God. What kind of Pew Ghana researcher? Pew Research Center, or me a research firm, a global research firm. Almost the fastest growing major religion in the world, Islam. You. Islam. Now, 2010 equals 2028. 10 years. Nipa 347 million. And they call Islam. And no matter the quantity, Christianity, crawling, and grow to say Islam. One of the key factors, we have theology, you have to be Christian apologetic. So Christian apologetic, you know, HSA. Who defended the Bible and the Christianity because there are some exposés be our Bible more and sometimes and conform with you say it does not make sense to them. For example, who read the Bible say Tama Ken Ku Nimia Abel no Ken Koi and or Koware no way. That time they see the path for the net we are say why not Kokoware? You need a theologian to break that to them. So people read the Bible. And this Christian apologetic, when they don't understand it, they go to Islam. That is what do. Obviously, the lifestyle of today, the lifestyle of the modern men of God, the lifestyle of the modern men of God is reducing, reversing people from Christianity. The lifestyle. And that lifestyle, Ebina Reverend Owusu Bempah.
Are you saying he's only a man of God?
Me say
he's not spiritual.
Me say that's why you're spiritual or not. No minimum Kumasi. You feel in Libya. Onu bobo pa. Obobo ni you feel in Libya. Onu bobo pa. No minimum say na mensa ono so. But you walk kanu and I make sure say. No minimum say na mensa ono so. But you walk minimum say I don't know because a true man of God wouldn't do this. You let me come to my ear. At the quality I make say. Or yeah, certain man of God, they say. Boss, so with this argument, I make ya. Obviously, some lifestyle of some men of God contribute to reverse the progress of Christianity. Listen, inconsistency of some of the men of God. A couple of man conforming Christianity. A man conforming reluctant. They don't go to church because of this inconsistency. Listen, Reverend Owusu Bempah, NDC 2, Ras Mubarak, I am a boss.